Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with another just listed property, Blue Anchor, New Jersey. And we're at 325 Arrowwood Ave. And I have a classic bungalow here. 2 beds, 1 bath, perfect starter home. And guess what? You own from all the way Central Ave, all the way down to North Ave. You own the entire frontage, 337 feet. Lot is about 3/4 of an acre all told, but you have no neighbors to the side, and you have this beautiful church right across the street. So no neighbors other than the tenants there that operate the church. Just under 1,000 square feet, and house isn't perfect, but it is the perfect starter home, and you could finish it off and make it whatever way that you want. Let's go check it out. So it is a classic American bungalow. And you can see that you have a window wall here where you put your kitchen table, and you have plenty of sunshine as the sun goes around the perimeter of the house all day long. Big kitchen, so it's an eat-in situation here, everything nice and neat. This way you have a laundry room, big, newer windows, they've been replaced, and you have this very large bathroom. And it's a 2-bed, 1 bath, so that's your only bath. And as you make your way to the public areas, you have these gorgeous pine floors. And this is classic from the era that this property was built. And you can see you got more windows, and you have this porch that's been finished off and gives you another space here. Put your plants here, maybe put a TV in here. Perfect for the pets in the morning when they get that morning sun. Got bedroom number 1 here. And then bedroom number 2. And through the laundry room, there's a pass door that has this really special area here that you probably could finish off if you wanted to. And it's this open attic space. And you have dormer windows on both sides, and then you have a center window here that's to the north. So you got plenty of room, finish it off, make it the way that you want. So down here in the full basement, you have a HVAC system, new central air and new gas furnace. This was installed in 2021, so it's only a year and a half old. And you have a upgraded electrical box. So all the wiring in this house has been redone. And as you make your way around, you had a well that was installed in the recent past. It's newer, and you have this newer well equipment here. And the septic system was also installed in 2021, so you don't have to worry about any of that. We got all the paperwork on it. So if you're looking for a great starter property, this one fits the bill for that. Just under 1,000 square foot. And you can call us at 609-400-3035, the number right here above, and we could set you up with an agent, and you could have your own private tour of this one and whatever else you want to see. And if you've already subscribed to the channel, thank you for doing so. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do it so that we can get you all the information as soon as the properties come out. And speaking of information, just click the link in the description below and you'll be able to get all the details, pricing of this property. Just under 1,000 square feet, new septic system in 2021, new HVAC system in 2021, upgraded electrical, upgraded windows, and you have privacy galore. Nobody next to you, and you got this glorious church right across the street. Make your appointment today, and I hope to see you at the settlement table.